Exercise number 3 to 4. At around 1.5 kilograms, the human brain is thought to be around 5 to 7 times larger than expected for a mammal of our body size. Why do humans have such big brains? Although they only account for 2% of typical body weight, they use up 20% of metabolic energy. What could justify such a biologically expensive organ? An obvious answer is that we need big brains to reason. After all, a big brain equals more intelligence. But evolutionary psychologist Robin Dunbar has been pushing another answer, one that has to do with being sociable. He makes the point that big brains seem to be specialized for dealing with problems that must arise out of large groups in which an individual needs to interact with others. This is true for many species. For example, birds of species that flock together have comparatively larger brains than those that are isolated. A change in brain size can even occur within the lifespan of an individual animal, such as the locust. Locusts are normally solitary and avoid each other, but become gregarious when they enter the swarm phase. This swarm phase of the locust is triggered by the buildup of locusts as their numbers multiply, threatening food supply, which is why they swarm to move to a new location altogether. In the process, they rub against each other, and this stimulation sets off a trigger in their brain to start paying attention to each other. As they swarm and become more tuned in to other locusts around them, their brain size shrinks by some degrees.